Hello, Chef Giuseppe Ciuffa here from San Diego, California, and Giuseppe Restaurants and Fine Catering, making a very basic fresh tomato sauce from crushed tomatoes for your pasta or whatever dish you like to combine with. It's an extremely easy process. We have a small pot right here, which we're gonna put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, which is always key ingredient, by the way, to any very good sauce. I have an onion. Just gonna take a little bit of this, then just dice it. You don't want to go too heavy on the onions, otherwise the sauce will get a little bit too strong. So once we have the onions, it's going to be with the olive oil. Let me add a little more drop just for the flavor. Okay, so you're gonna wait until this one browns. What we do have in here, we have some crushed tomatoes. Some people like to use actually fresh tomatoes and then they put them in jars and they just preserve them for a long period of time. You can get canned tomatoes. I suggest to use organic products as much as possible. And you don't want to get the ones and they're all chopped up and they have the seasoning and the oregano and stuff. Just plain old tomatoes. So in here, as you can see, we have a little bit of sizzling. The olive oil and the onions start getting happy together. We are going to add at some point just a couple of pieces, not a lot, sliced garlic. Don't go heavy on the garlic. Sauces with a lot of garlic, usually the garlic takes over and you just ruin the whole thing. Then I'll tell you my little secret, what I do afterwards. So as the olive oil and the onions are starting getting to a brown color, we have the tomatoes right here. With the help of a spoon, be careful because tomato have water and hot olive oil splash and gets in your eyes. Not good. Just gonna start adding it, you see? Okay. Then I'm going to reduce the heat a little bit, right here. Mix it all together. Now, as again, tomatoes have a little bit of water, so you don't want to add any more water to this. Once it is in there, you reduce the flame. You're going to take some chili flakes, if you like it a little spicy, some salt. As always, make sure it's well seasoned. You don't have to cut the basil, you just take the basil leaves like this. And you can actually break it into the sauce. Okay, you're gonna give it another quick mix right here. If the tomatoes are a little bit on the dry side, you can always add maybe just a slight touch of water, maybe like a quarter of a cup. And once you have the tomatoes, they start sizzling, they start cooking all together. It's not a long process. This one will take maybe like 25-30 minutes. You just reduce the heat, you're gonna put the lid on it, and you just let it simmer all together. Right before you serve, make sure then the sauce rests for a few minutes, okay? Look at these beautiful colors right here. I'm gonna show you. It smells so good, it's delicious. All right? So this is a fresh, crushed tomato sauce that you can use for your pasta. Enjoy.